How to fix TikTok not uploading videos. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a fun option. Click on the plus option given at the bottom middle. Your camera will open up. Now you can take a picture, shoot the video, or click on this gallery option. Select the video or picture from your gallery to upload it. You can click on next and click on post. If you're unable to upload video on TikTok following this step, what you can do is click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of Logout. Click on Logout. Wait for a few minutes, then log in back. Likewise, check for the updates for the app TikTok. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is launch your TikTok, navigate to Settings and Privacy page, click on the option Report a Problem, scroll down, click on Chat with us. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to upload any videos on your TikTok account and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily fix TikTok not uploading videos. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.